Hi everyone, John Ossipinsky here. I want to let you know what to expect in our $67 Dynamic Lymph-Brain Detox, Conquer Anxiety and Brain Fog. Understand, even though we talk about anxiety and brain fog, it's really most health problems, right? We have to understand how the lymphatic system, the tiny network of vessels and nodes, must clean our brain. And it's not so much the lymphatic vessels in the brain. It's really about, we have to understand how everything in your body, your organs, your blood vessels, every tissue, every muscle, and everything in your head has to flow down to the little vessels right inside your neck. So if we ignore these areas, then we're going to get congestion, which can lead to gum disease, can lead to TMJ, ear problems like ear fluid, brain issues like anxiety, congestion, headaches, migraines, and of course, it can lead to problems in our body. But our $67 course is really something that everyone should be taking. This is a very packed course. I didn't just do a very flimsy, something that you won't benefit from. I took my first lesson and added other things to it. You're going to be learning how to drain. By the second week, you'll be able to drain your whole, everything above your shoulders, even inside your mouth, to create change. You're going to feel circulation. And then each week, we're going to talk about diet, basic supplements. By the third week, we're draining inside our mouth. Again, you're going to feel this. So if you've been struggling with anxiety, not feeling well in your brain, then you need to take that first step. You need to join us. It's 4 weeks with me every Monday, and we do have recordings, so you won't have to be there in case there's a conflict, but you will be able to learn about this system that is really ignored in medicine. It's just missed. When you go to your doctor and they say, hey, you have anxiety or you're having headaches and migraines, they never mention a lymphatic system. It's a pressure relief system, a system that must remove cellular waste and fluid, and it's not doing it. So you can gain control over your lymphatic system, over your health and life, really by understanding what we're going to teach: basic diet. We need to understand a diet for the lymphatic system. You're going to learn some basic supplements. Some you may even have in your home, and I make no money on supplements. You just go, I'll tell you about them. You go order them on Amazon. And then we're going to learn exercises, simple things that you can do to open up your lymphatic system, like basically opening up your clavicles. Major lymph vessels right here, a tiny little vessel that must be opened up. And when we're, again, not acknowledging our lymphatic system, we tend to just congest. And you can gain direct control. It's 4 weeks with me, and that's what we need. Most people take a course and they forget about it. You're going to take a course and be with me for 4 weeks, and it's going to make a difference in your life. I know it will. So besides understanding diet, basic supplements, and exercise, you're going to be able to use your hands to drain. And this isn't really what's shown online. You really don't find things showing the head. So if you want to help your head, this is the course for you. Let me know if you have any questions. The link is below. I know it's going to change your life. Let me know if you, have any health problems that you think maybe, the lymph system won't help it. Trust me, the lymphatic system can help every health problem out there. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.